Hello, champions. Welcome back to Maverick Motives, the place where we fuel your passion and drive for success. Today, we're diving into the strategies and mindset shifts that will make 2024 the greatest year of your life. So buckle up and let's set the stage for your incredible journey ahead. Rule number 1, reflect on the past. As we stand on the threshold of a new year, it's crucial to reflect on the lessons and experiences that shaped us in the past. What were your victories? What were your challenges? Take a moment to acknowledge your growth and use those insights to fuel your aspirations for the future. Rule number 2, define your vision. Greatness begins with a clear vision. Close your eyes and imagine the person you want to become by the end of 2024. What goals do you want to achieve? What skills do you want to master? Envision your success in vivid detail and let that vision be your guiding light throughout the year. Rule number 3, set SMART goals. Goals are the stepping stones to success. Break down your vision into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Whether it's in your career, relationships, health, or personal development, set targets that challenge and inspire you to reach new heights. Rule number 4, cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the key to overcoming obstacles and embracing challenges. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Embrace the journey, celebrate your victories, and learn from every experience. Rule number 5, create a powerful routine. Success leaves clues, and many successful individuals attribute their achievements to a powerful daily routine. Design a schedule that aligns with your goals, incorporating habits that foster productivity, health, and well-being. Consistency is the secret sauce that turns dreams into reality. Rule number 6, surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset. Surround yourself with positive influences, supportive individuals, and inspirational content. Remove negativity from your life and watch how your energy and focus skyrocket. As we embark on this journey together, remember that your greatest year is within reach. It starts with a clear vision, strategic goals, a growth mindset, a powerful routine, and a positive environment. Commit to making 2024 the year you transform your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on Maverick Motives. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and let's make 2024 the greatest year of your life.
And never forget, you are a different breed.